Our Fox 5 team obtained jail inmate phone call recordings of a Fulton County commissioner using curse words to describe a Fulton County judge. Those recordings were obtained through an Open Records Act request.
In the calls, Commissioner Marvin Arrington was talking with a then client about a case before Fulton County Superior Court Judge Kelly Lee Ellerby. Senior I-Team reporter Dale Russell has the latest.
We're working on trying to get it done.
Fulton County Commissioner Marvin Arrington, who's also a defense attorney, talked to a defendant who called him from a jailhouse phone last November. The man, Corwin Monson, was Arrington's client at the time. He's accused of aggravated stalking in a case involving Misha Maynor. She was recently sworn in as a Georgia state representative. Jailhouse calls are recorded and monitored, but that didn't stop the Fulton County Commissioner from lashing out at the Fulton County judge on the case, Kelly Lee Ellerby.
The problem is this judge.
Arrington tells Monson he can negotiate a plea with then District Attorney Paul Howard for a misdemeanor charge, but he's worried about the judge.
Because I can get the DA's office to agree to the misdemeanor plea, but she might not accept it.
Monson responds they need to get Judge Ellerby off the case.
So we got to get the judge gone.
Yeah, like that's the real issue.
Right, that's the real issue.
Together, they discussed how they believed Judge Ellerby allowed Representative Misha Maynor to testify in a pretrial hearing without being sworn in under oath. They felt Maynor lied. Representative Maynor denies she lied during the hearing. But Monson and Arrington made it clear they never wanted Ellerby as the judge.
This prime example why I didn't want her. You didn't want her on that case.
I knew from the beginning we didn't want that. Yeah.
That's against the law. You cannot try to get a judge off of a case because you just want to. It can't be subjective.
In November of 2020, Arrington ultimately filed a motion asking the Judge Ellerby recuse herself, arguing that the victim, Misha Maynor, is attempting to use her job as a state representative to unduly influence the court. Even though at the time, Misha Maynor had yet to be sworn in as a state representative, Judge Ellerby denied the motion. With a court battle raging on, Misha Maynor filed a grievance with the State Bar of Georgia against Marvin Arrington's law license. In it, she claims Arrington tried to manipulate Judge Ellerby off the case so he could find a judge he believed he had greater favor with. Representative Maynor also claimed Arrington was double dipping. He's being paid by Fulton County to work against Fulton County, she wrote, and is also responsible for paying Fulton County judges and the DA's office.
You cannot be overseeing prosecutors and in the same courtroom while you're overseeing those same prosecutors that you work with every day. You're just 10 feet away also being a criminal defense attorney.
Representative Maynor also filed this ethics complaint, stating similar concerns that Arrington defends criminal cases for profit at the expense of Fulton County residents and against the Fulton County District Attorney's Office, which he oversees as commissioner.
Let's let the legal professionals decide if this is unethical, one, and if this is against the law, two, and has he failed to abide by his oath of office.
Arrington is no longer on the case. He did not respond to our repeated requests for comment. Arrington is quoted in Atlanta Progressive News as saying he was completely shocked to learn of the ethics and bar complaints and stated both claims are completely frivolous. Corwin Monson's new attorney, Christy Gladden, wrote us to say, we've only heard the prosecution side of this story so far, and her client is innocent until proven guilty. She believes at trial he will be exonerated. Dale Russell, Fox 5 News.